So here's how to create a landing page with system.io. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your account. After that, here in the dashboard you have to click on the funnels option at the top. Once you click on it, now it will redirect you to another page. Then here at this interface you have to click on the create option at the top right corner. Moving on to the next step, here at this pop-up window you have to select your funnel name or landing page name. Then you have to choose the purpose or the goal of your landing page. Once you have successfully choose the goal of your landing page, now you have to click on the currency option to select your currency. Now from this drop down menu you can select your currency first and then click on the save option. Once you click on it, now your landing page will be successfully created. Then to edit your landing page you have to click on it. After that, from these templates you have to select any of the desired template for your landing page. As I wanna keep it simple and natural, so I selected this landing page template and then click on the edit page option to edit this template. Now you can make any required change to your landing page. So that's how to create a landing page on system.io.